What's going on, Garrett here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're researching how to make money with PayPal. Well, you're in the right place because I'm going to share with you an incredibly easy step-by-step formula that myself and tons of people from around the world, many people brand new, have been able to duplicate and start to generate their first $100, $1,000, even up to $5,000 or more per month, very part-time. Now you can see that I'm logged into my PayPal account right here and my balance is $2,100. This was actually from one day, okay? Because as you'll see in a second when I share this step-by-step formula, anyone can do this in about 30 to 60 minutes a day from a Wi-Fi connection, okay? If you have a smartphone, if you have a laptop, you can actually do this. Now, there's a lot of skepticism online. There's a lot of people that think it's not possible to make money online. It's not possible to make money with PayPal. But now what I want to share with you is the step-by-step, very simple method. So again, whether you've struggled in the past, or whether you've tried to make money with PayPal and you weren't able to actually do it, as you follow this formula, you're going to see how it's really possible. So there's just 4 simple steps in this formula, okay? Now, number one is what we're going to actually do is we're going to copy and paste pre-written ads online. Okay, now we're going to paste these ads to sites like Facebook, sites like Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Okay, you can go YouTube, Craigslist. Once we paste these ads, that's when the magic actually happens. Now, as you follow me in this video, you're actually going to be able to access pre-written advertisements. Okay, so if you're not a good copywriter, if you don't know how to do marketing, if you're not good at sales, you don't want to bother people, you can literally just swipe and deploy, copy and paste these ads on your social media to start to generate results. And what are the results? When we actually post these copy paste ads, people are going to respond. People are going to message you directly for more information. People are going to comment on your Facebook post and say, info. I want to learn more about how this program actually works. And what we're going to be able to do is refer people to the products. Okay, now what are the products that we're actually going to be promoting with this easy, simple method to make money on PayPal? The products are digital video training teaching marketing strategies. Okay, so with this product, you can actually learn while you earn. You can go through the products yourself. You can learn how to do marketing on different mediums, and then you can just take the copy paste ads, post them on your social media. When people respond and they actually purchase the products, that's when you're going to get paid. Okay, now you can get paid to a PayPal. You can get paid to really any other preferred payment method, because with the exact business and program that I'm actually referencing in this exact video, you can choose, do I want to get paid with Stripe, which is a form of a payment method? Do you want to get paid by Zelle? Do you want to get paid by Cash App, right? There's a lot of different methods to get paid. And my new members that have come in, that have been able to quit their 9-to-5 job, that have been able to take care of their family, that have been able to travel the world and do the things they love to do with the people they love doing it with. These people have been able to choose the payment method, use the copy paste ads, go through the video step-by-step training, and have been able to generate some absolutely incredible results. And then the last step is daily pay. Okay, so the beautiful thing about this specific program is you don't have to wait a week, you don't have to wait a month. When you make a referral, right, when you get someone to purchase just by sending them the link to your website, okay, that's provided with this method, then you're going to be able to get that money instantly. So if you want to transfer the money from your PayPal account to a bank account, if you want to get a PayPal credit card and purchase items at a store, whatever you want to do with the money that's flowing in very rapidly and very easily, you can go ahead and do that. And that's exactly what happened with me when I showed you the proof in the beginning of this video. The last thing I want to share with you is that with these products, okay, when you actually go to join, there's no monthly fees, right? Unlike a lot of those other programs online where you have to keep paying a recurring thing to keep using the program, to keep accessing the products and the training, this is a one-time investment to literally change your life, okay? There's really no free method online. You see these videos online that are like, oh, you can make $5,000 in 10 minutes for free. Look, I've been online the last 5 years. It doesn't exist. The reason I created this channel was to cut through the noise, cut through the BS, and share with you honest, real methods. And this is the easiest way and the most affordable way I've personally found in the last 5 years. Okay, so there's going to be a link directly below this video. When you click that link, you'll get taken to my website, right? Once you go to my website, put your best email on my website so I can send you a welcome email with the steps and the overview of this program so you can get more information and set up yourself to earn these PayPal money as soon as this week, okay? And I also want to say that there's going to be a Facebook profile link in the description. If at any point you have questions after you look over my website, feel free to shoot me a message on my personal Facebook profile. I'll answer your questions and we can go ahead and get you started earning this money as soon as possible. So thanks so much for watching, my friend. Go down below, check out the links, and I look forward to seeing you at the top. Take care.